You are today in a very special place in Galápagos. This is Fernandina Island, and this is the youngest island of Galápagos, where the last eruption occurred 5 years ago. Everything is lava and lava and lava and lava and lava, right? So it's a very new island. This is one of the most pristine islands in Galápagos because the majority of the plants and the animals are endemic. Take a look to this little Jurassic Park.
Ooh.
Come a little bit closer, I don't bite.
Don't want to step on them.
You're looking at a colony of marine iguanas. This is a really truly marine iguanas. You saw this morning, they swim in the water with that very long tails yet. And they are reptiles, ectothermic animals, and I don't know if you noticed that the majority of them are facing that way. See it? The majority of them that are facing the sun are cooling off, and those guys touching with their bodies the hot rocks are warming up. They got a gland in the middle of the eyes. They accumulate excess of salt. They filter the salt because they don't drink fresh water, they drink salt water, right? And they spit because they need to get rid of the salt. So this is why they are constantly spitting, but it's not spitting because it's not through the mouth, it's sneeze. Sneeze salt through their nostrils, right? Wait there. Look at this. Here, only here you can coexist, you know, with the animals. I mean, it's like anywhere else. In other areas, the animals run away from us.